All right, so here we go. I want to take this time since it looks like we're going to be online through the end of the semester. I want to take a moment and go through Canvas and make sure you guys really understand how I'm setting it up and how to utilize it. Now, eventually, you're going to see that there's stuff that goes right here. So this will actually change, but I'm creating this video so that I can put the video there right now. But you'll see links to my Zoom meetings, and you'll see other announcements that are really important that will go in there. Let's walk through all of this so that you guys can understand it. All right, right here, you'll actually see now it's a link. And the reason why it's a link is because all of the videos that I had posted prior to spring break will actually be on this page. So if you missed them, go ahead and click and you can go onto the page and you can see all the videos. And they're going to be in order that I create them. So from the earliest to the latest. As we scroll down, you're going to find a couple things. The syllabus is here, but that's really irrelevant right now. The ebook is here, and a list of the assignments is here. You'll notice this calendar, and this calendar is going to be changing. So please, please, please make sure every time you go on here, you look at it. Like, for instance, week 9 is what I'm working on currently. So I know it looks like this in the video, but it may not look like this when you actually get to it. So recognize, please, that I am working on this. It's spring break right now, and each day I get up and try to do something to hopefully make this a little easier for you. Each of these in here is actually links. And so for week 9, right after we get back from spring break, there's a couple of things that I need you to do and a couple of things that will be due. So let's start with this. Now first, the introduction to the persuasive assignment. So there'll be a short video that will come, and you'll find that when you click, it's actually going to go to the video first. But for right now, when you click on it, it's going to take you to the modules, persuasive speech assignment. Go ahead and click on the very first one when you get there, and eventually it will be a video, but for right now, it is the explanation of the assignment, and everything is in there. Now on the bottom, you see next. So anytime that I click you somewhere from the home page, my assumption is that you are clicking next and you are moving through all of the things that I've written for you. I know some have a lot of writing, and I apologize. I'm trying to make up for the fact that my videos cannot be too long or I'll lose you. And then others I have videos sometimes. This one actually happens to be a Prezi that you go through, and you keep clicking as you go through. I also have a sample persuasive speech so that you can actually see it. Actually, on this page, and this is kind of fun, I Googled help finding question of policy speeches so that you can get some ideas for your topics. And when you click on it, again, I want you to remember, I'm trying to help you guys since I'm not there to see you. It goes through all these topics. I'm not going to let you read them now. You can click and read them later. But what I really liked here is it had fun, humorous, and hilarious persuasive speech topic and sports persuasive speech topic. So I clicked on this one and I was like, "Oh, these are cool. Like they can fit into those requirements as well." So I'm trying to put things on the modules that's really going to help you. So please, please recognize that I do expect you to be going through these because each of these is being edited probably as you're watching this to make sure that you can get through it. The homepage is always going to be your starting point. So just so you recognize, this is always going to be where I want you to go. Now, in week 9, I want you not only to understand the persuasive assignment, but also start to get to look at the, like what persuasion means. And there's slight shifts that are going to change in your outline, and there's slight shifts in the requirements that I want. So I have another link here that takes you to Understanding Persuasion, which has a video on me, but again, there's a next button. So again, remember, I'm expecting that you go through those next buttons. Each week, though, I am going to have some sort of discussion board post. And so I just noticed right now that it's not here. It's actually at the end of this to the discussion board post. But after you go through the module, each week there will actually be a discussion board. So the discussion board for the week after spring break is each of you is going to post the top of your persuasive speech outline by April 8th, okay? So keep in mind that you are going to be doing things and things are going to be collected and everything is working up towards me trying to help guide you in your persuasive speeches. Now, the reason why I'm collecting your top of the outline is because after you watch the video, you're going to notice that the guidelines for your specific purpose are actually changing. And so we're going to share it so that you can see everyone else's topics. We can kind of help each other guide through, and then to make sure that everybody has really got an understanding of specific purpose. Look for these videos. Each class session, I'll not only have a quick lecture, but I'm also going to try to have an informative video to help you.